guys, my name is Turkissa Wilson, and in this video is going to be just for the new dads, right? Because a lot of times the new dad get left out, everything's for the baby, and the new mom, well, I got your back. We are going to go over 12 great items, 12 great gifts, should I say, for the new dad to be. Then we're going to combine them and create what is called a new dad survival kit. All right. Now, you know I'm big on that wow factor. And in this case, to get that wow factor, you want to make it personal. All right. If you are close to this person or whatever the case may be, use that to your advantage and get stuff that will represent them. Now, I'm just doing an example for this video, but enough of me talking. Let's get into the items, all right? So, we got our toolbox, all right? Then we got our house shoes, all right? And then we're gonna open this up. We're gonna rock with the earplugs, coffee, and yes, you are seeing this right, condoms, because we don't want no to help them to be a little safe and not to, you know, have a baby back to back. We're gonna rock with these. Okay, then we also got a hand towel. Then we got a beer cover. Then we're gonna throw in some snacks for them. And this is beef jerky. We're gonna rock with the energy drink. We have our body wash. And then we have a coffee mug that we will customize, all right? And I saved the best for last. Beer, yes. And you remember, put whatever you want to put in here, put whatever they drink. But in this example, we're gonna rock with beer. Okay. Now, with that being said, let's